Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to clean your Gmail inbox. First, open up your Gmail application, or you can open it in a web browser by typing mail.google.com. After that, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Then click on the See at Settings option to close to the top. Next, click on the Inbox option. Once you are on your inbox page, then under Categories, select the Updates option. Then scroll down and click on the Save Changes button at the bottom. As you can see, my inbox has decreased to 97 emails because all the other ones have been moved to the Updates page. In Updates, you will discover auto-generated emails like notifications, newsletters, or bills and statements. Now, what you need to do is figure out which senders keep sending emails repeatedly. For example, I receive a lot of emails from Amazon, so right-click on it. Then click on the Find Emails from Amazon option. Now you can see that all the emails I have received from Amazon are grouped here. If I want to delete them, I can simply click on the delete icon close to the top. Now all Amazon emails have been successfully deleted. After that, go back and repeat the same process. Just find senders who send lots of emails, right-click and choose the Find Emails from Google option. After that, click on this box close to the left top. Then click on the Select All Conversations that match the search option. After that, click on the delete icon at the top. Now click on the OK button in this window. Once you are done with this process and now you want to disable all the updates option, then click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Next, click on See All Settings. Then go to the inbox page and click on this little box next to the updates option. Then scroll down and click on the Save Changes button. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.